BBA third semester marketing research case study analysis. Here I have a case study. Develop a research proposal and questionnaire for the topic customer satisfaction towards cars. In this case study, they have asked to design a research proposal on the topic customer satisfaction towards cars. When we design a research paper or a proposal on a topic, we should write the following points. The points are executive summary or background of the study, purpose of the study, objectives of the study, scope of the study, data collection method, sampling method, sample size, sample unit, method of analysis, limitation of study. In this case study, they have also asked to prepare a questionnaire for the topic, and I have prepared a questionnaire for this topic. First of all, let us design a research proposal on the basis of this topic. First of all, we need to write the title of the research proposal. The title here is a study on customer satisfaction towards the cars. For this topic, we need to write the executive summary. The executive summary is the background of the study or the introduction of the study, where executive writes about the topic. For example, here first, the customer satisfaction is the inner feeling about cars performance by the user. There are many companies are engaged in manufacturing of cars. There are varieties of cars available in the market. On the basis of body of cars, there are hatchback, SUV, microcar, sedan, etc. are available. On the basis of versions, middle version, VXI, basic version, Deluxe available. A customer may be happy with the various facilities, benefits and service of the car. Price, design, fuel consumption, better performance, mileage, etc. Are the performance parameters which satisfy the customers. Using these parameters, the study is intended to measure the level of satisfaction of customers towards the car. Next point, purpose of the study. What is the purpose of the study? We have to write here. Like in India, Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra and Honda cars are engaged in manufacturing the cars. Each company is manufacturing various types of cars which give individual performance to satisfy the customer needs. The purpose of the study is to analyze the satisfaction of customers towards the cars. Next point is objectives of the study. The very important point, we need to write the objectives. The objectives of the study should be within 4 or 5 points, or we can limit it to 3 points. What are the objectives of the study? Here, to know the opinion of customers regarding performance of the cars and different price level. To measure the level of satisfaction towards the owning the car. To understand the satisfaction towards the price of the car. So the objectives of the study, how a customer is satisfied with the car. Likewise, we have to write the objectives. Next, scope of the study. Scope of the study means the area which we take to collect the data. Here, the scope of the study is to get the information about the customer satisfaction towards the cars in the city town area of Dharwad. You can take any areas. Only we take the area to study or to collect the data. Next point is data collection method. What is the method used for collecting the information from the car users? Here, primary data and secondary data. Primary data is the first-hand information collected from car users by issuing a structured questionnaire. Primary data you can collect through issuing a questionnaire, or you can directly ask the car users to collect the data. Direct questioning, or you giving a questionnaire, the car users or the respondents will tick or write the answers and give you back. The second is the secondary data. Secondary data is existing data collected from the books, journals, magazines, newspapers, websites for supporting the study. The secondary data is collected from always from the books, journals, magazines, newspapers, and nowadays website is the most popular secondary data collecting source. Sampling method. Here there are various kinds of sampling method are there, but normally most of the researcher uses simple random sampling method to collect the data. Sample size. Sample size means the number of customers or number of people we use to collect the data. For example, if the city having 1,000 people, we may take 100 individuals or 100 persons to collect the data. Here the data will be collected from a sample size of 100 car users from different income groups for the purpose of study. For this study purpose, we are going to take 100 car users or 100 respondents. Sample unit. Sample unit is individual car user. Individual car user is the sample unit for this study. Method of analysis. The data the collected data has been analyzed and evaluated. There are various statistical tools and techniques are used for analyzing the data collected. For the research of any topic, for findings or analyzing the data, we are going to use the statistical tools and techniques. Here the statistical tools are used: descriptive statistics, frequency analysis, percentage analysis, factor analysis, one-way ANOVA, multiple regression analysis. These techniques are used, or we can take one or two techniques for analyzing the data. And the next point is limitations of the study. The limitation of the study is the sample size is limited to 100 car users, hence result of the study cannot be universal. Next, findings are depending upon the information collected from the respondents. What findings or what result we will give after the study is purely depend upon the response of the respondents. The data is collected and analyzed using a questionnaire, and hence limitation of the questionnaire is inevitable. Sometimes what questionnaire we prepare, it may contain the limitations, so that is also limitation of the study. There are 3 limitations of the study. So the research design for this topic containing the contents of executive summary, purpose of the study, objectives of the study, scope of the study, data collection method, sampling method, sample size, sample unit, method of analysis, limitations of the study. This is the first point for answering the question. Next one is we need to prepare a questionnaire. In primary data we have to collect information from the respondents, so we are not going to ask them individually, but we collect information through giving a questionnaire to the respondents. So how we are going to prepare a questionnaire? Here we can prepare a questionnaire like this. It is a structured questionnaire in the sense there are basic information we need to take and the core information. Here basic information, primary information are, first we have the name, age, gender, male or female. Here name he has to write, age he has to write, gender male and female he has to click here, whether male or female he has to click here. Then income level, we have to give the income levels 10,000 to 50,000, 50,000 to 1 lakh, 1 lakh to 5 lakh and 5 lakh above. The respondent will click will tick the answer here. Then occupation, we have to get the occupation of the respondents: government employee, private employee, self-employment, and business. uh, the respondent will tick the answer. Now the next part is to analyze, to measure the customer satisfaction level. We have to uh, take the information from the customer or from the car users by asking these type of questions. What type of question we can ask? First one is, what is your opinion regarding fuel consumption of our car? uh, he may tick very satisfied, satisfied, dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. So some respondents will tick very satisfied, some respondents may be dissatisfied, or maybe not satisfied, like he tick the answer. Next, in which variant you like to buy in a car? Petrol car or diesel car? Petrol car and diesel car, he tick the answer. Then what is your opinion regarding the price of the car? Very important. Price of the car varies from 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 3 lakh to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, like that. So whether the customer is satisfied or not, we have to ask very satisfied, satisfied, dissatisfied, very dissatisfied. Then what is your opinion about service of our car station comparing to other service stations? Very important aspect in purchasing a car is service. Some car manufacturers provide good services, some car manufacturers are not providing good services. So we have to ask this question, and the answer is excellent, very good, good, poor. So company can take decision, can make decision on the basis of whether most customers choose the poor answer, means their service is very poor. So excellent, very good, good, poor will be the answer that for this question. He tick the answer. Then how long you are using our car? Customer may use custom car from 1 to 3 years, 4 to 7 years, 8 to 11 years, 11, on 11 years and above. What qualities do you like in our cars? Good design, good facilities, better mileage, affordable price. What is your favorite color in our cars? White, red, blue, uh, brick red, silver, gray, black, brown. Customers or car users may be interested in these colors, he may tick the answers. Last we last question, after asking, we have to ask the suggestions. So customer will write the suggestions, so on the basis of that we can take the decisions. There are 13 questions. You may prepare 15 questions or 20 questions. Very relevant questions must be accurate and relevant to this topic. So this is how we have to answer the case study questions. Thank you all.